Hello everybody, welcome to another quick craft by Happy Learning Van. This is something you can do all by yourself without any adult help. This term we learned how joints and bones help movement of our arms and legs for our science lesson on humans and animals. This gave me an idea to create my own model to show what happens inside our hands. This is really easy to make yourself. You need cardboard, drinking straws, scissors, thread or twine, and sellotape, pencil or pen. As the first step, I trace my mother's hand on a cardboard and cut it out. Then I mark the positions of her finger joints on the cutout. You need to gently score the joint marks. I cut the straws into the size of the joints and taped it on the correct position. You need to cut the pieces slightly smaller. Now I tape the balanced pieces of straws to the wrist of my robotic hand. I pass the twine through the finger joints and wrist straws and tape the twine down at the finger ends. The twine acts like the tendons connecting the bones to the muscles. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tune in next time for more crafts. Stay safe.